A dedicated coffee cart doesn't just organize your setup, it completely changes the vibe of your kitchen or living space. In this video, I'm covering the 5 best coffee bar carts you can buy right now, starting from number 5 all the way to my number 1 pick. You'll find every pick and its link in the description section. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the ThreeHio 3-tier rolling cart. And what makes this one stand out right away is just how many ways you can actually use it. The top surface is spacious enough for a microwave, a coffee maker, or a full content creation setup if that's your thing. The 2 mesh shelves below handle overflow storage for anything from coffee supplies to small appliances to plants. And the rustic brown wood grain finish paired with a black metal frame gives it a warm, modern aesthetic that works equally well in a kitchen, living room, office, or balcony. 4 hooks are included and can be attached wherever you need them, great for hanging mugs, small tools, or kitchen utensils within easy reach. The cart rolls smoothly on 4 wheels with 2 lockable brakes to keep it stationary when you want it parked in one spot. The ability to roll it wherever you need it, then lock it in place, is genuinely useful in a real home environment. Moving it around a home office, rolling it to the kitchen counter, repositioning it for entertaining, it handles all of it without any effort. Simple, versatile, and good-looking. If you want a compact rolling cart that adapts to whatever you throw at it, the ThreeHio is a solid starting point for this list. Moving up to number 4, meet the Housolution 4-tier coffee bar cart. And from the moment you open the box, the quality of this one is immediately apparent. All parts are clearly labeled and well organized right out of the packaging, with all necessary tools included and step-by-step instructions that make assembly genuinely straightforward. The wooden shelves feel thick and sturdy, and the iron frame adds structural rigidity that gives the finished cart a solid, premium feel rather than the flimsy wobble you get from cheaper alternatives. The 360-degree swivel wheels glide smoothly across any surface. Kitchen tile, hardwood, carpet, and lockable brakes keep it firmly in place whenever you want it stationary. At just over 33 inches tall, it's compact enough to fit into tight spaces without dominating the room. What really sets this one apart for coffee lovers specifically are the dedicated K-cup pod drawers built right into the cart, so your pods are always organized, always accessible, and never cluttering up your counter. It's a detail that makes the daily coffee routine noticeably cleaner and more enjoyable. Beyond the coffee bar setup, it works equally well as a laundry organizer, a living room side cart, or an office storage solution. Elegant, durable, and genuinely multifunctional, the Housolution earns its spot at number 4 with ease. At number 3, the NTE 3-tier rolling kitchen cart, and this one impresses immediately with weight capacities that are genuinely in a different league from most carts in this category. The top shelf handles up to 150 pounds, while each of the 2 lower shelves is rated for an impressive 250 pounds, bringing the total weight capacity to a remarkable 650 pounds. For a rolling cart, that kind of structural confidence is exceptional and means you can load this thing up with heavy appliances, large containers, or serving items without any concern about stability. The shelves are adjustable so you can configure the spacing to fit whatever you're working with: tall bottles, bulky appliances, or stacked items. A handle at the top makes repositioning smooth and controlled even when the cart is fully loaded, and the wheels roll quietly across most surfaces. 6 hooks are included and can be positioned on either side of the cart, perfect for hanging mugs, utensils, towels, or kitchen tools wherever they're most convenient. The modern, stylish design works as well for displaying drinks and coffee supplies as it does for pure kitchen storage. Whether you're using it as a coffee bar, a serving cart for parties, or an everyday kitchen organizer, the NTE brings serious capacity and smart features to the table at a very competitive price. Now things get stylish. At number 2, the YATINEY 3-tier gold bar cart, and this one is as much about aesthetics as it is about function. The gold finish is genuinely eye-catching, the kind of piece that guests notice immediately and that instantly upgrades the visual character of any living room, kitchen, or entertaining space. But beyond the looks, the layout is thoughtfully designed for real everyday use. The top tier features a flat surface with a subtle border rail around the edge, keeping items secure when the cart is in motion. Perfect for a French press, coffee supplies, or decorative display items. The middle tier is where the magic happens for drink lovers. It features a hanging wine glass holder that keeps stemware organized and beautifully displayed, plus a flat surface option if you prefer to set things down instead. The bottom tier is wide and open, ideal for wine bottles, spirits, or, as plenty of owners use it, an ever-growing collection of coffee mugs on full display for guests to grab and use freely. The cart rolls smoothly on wheels with lockable stoppers for stability when parked, and despite how elaborate it looks, assembly is surprisingly straightforward and self-explanatory. Beautiful, functional, and genuinely fun to own, the YATINEY is a cart that earns compliments every day. And here we are, our number one pick, the Miratino 4-tier coffee bar cart. And this one was designed specifically for coffee lovers, and it shows in every detail. Assembly is a genuinely pleasant experience. All parts are numbered and lettered clearly, so you simply match the pieces as directed and work through the steps without any confusion or guesswork. The finished product is a gorgeous rustic brown and black cart that looks like it belongs in a specialty coffee shop rather than a home kitchen. The headline feature is the dual K-cup pod drawer system, which together holds an impressive 84 pods. That's your full coffee rotation, creamer packets, granola bars, and whatever else you want to keep organized and accessible in one dedicated spot. No more digging through cabinets or cluttering up the counter looking for pods. The top shelf handles your coffee maker comfortably. Even larger models fit well, while the bottom shelf provides generous space for extra supplies, backup cups, or overflow items. The whole cart rolls on lockable wheels, so you can wheel it to guests during a gathering, then lock it in place when you want it stationary by the counter. It's purpose-built for coffee, beautifully finished, generously sized, and immediately usable right out of the box. The Miratino takes the number one spot because it solves the coffee storage problem more completely and more elegantly than anything else on this list. And that's our top 5 coffee bar carts. From the versatile ThreeHio rolling cart all the way up to the Miratino's 84-pod coffee dedicated setup, every single one of these will bring real organization and style to your coffee corner. All 5 products are linked in the description below. Go check them out and find the perfect cart for your space. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home and kitchen content, and drop a comment telling us which cart you'd go for. We'll catch you in the next one.